Ah, sister.
What do you make of Mr. Lefroy?
We are honoured by his presence.
You think?
He does. His preening, prancing Irish come Bond Street airs.
Jane.
Well, I call it very high indeed, refusing to dance when there are so few gentlemen. Henry,
Jane.
are all your friends so disagreeable? Where exactly in Ireland does he come from, anyway?
Limerick, Miss Austen. I would regard it as a mark of extreme favour if you would stoop to honour me with this next dance.
Being the first to dance with me, madam, I feel it only fair to inform you that you carry the standard for Hampshire hospitality.
Ah, then your country reputation depends on my report. This, by the way, is called a country dance, after the French. Contre dance. Not because it is exhibited at an uncouth rural assembly, with glutinous pies, execrable Madeira, and truly anarchic dancing.
You judge the company severely, madam.
I was describing what you would be thinking.
Allow me to think for myself.
Give me leave to do the same, sir, and come to a different conclusion. Will you give so much to a woman?
It must depend upon the woman. And what she thinks of me.
But you are above being pleased.
And I think that you, miss... What was it?
Austen. Mr.
Lefroy. I think that you, Miss Austen, consider yourself a cut above the company.
Me?
You, ma'am. Secretly.